With me for a quick video tour on this Maxum 3000 SCR 1998. Starting off at the bow, we see we've got the windlass, spotlight, nice foredeck cushion. Down along the side, we see we've got new bimini with good isinglass. We enter the vessel through the port side cockpit door. We've got our U-shaped seating, which lowers and becomes a sun pad. Port side, we have Gunnel Storage and a wet bar for our guests right there. Engine access is through the deck hatch with enough clearance you don't even have to move the table. The vessel is powered by twin 5-liter Merc Cruiser engines, and off to one side we see our Westerbeek generator right there. We also have 3 batteries and a hot water heater. Moving forward, we have a double companion seat right there, and your helm seat is there. Circling around, we see we've got rocker switches, easily accessible, our dual gauge panel right here, VHF radio, and our hour meters right there. Access to the bow is up these steps, through the windshield, and then out to the foredeck. We enter the cabin through this bifold door, down a couple steps. Once inside, we have a port side galley, upper and lower cabinets. We've got our microwave, dual burner alcohol electric stove, Korean style countertop. This vessel is air conditioned and heated. There's our controls right there. We have a Korean style countertop, and below, multiple storage drawers and our refrigerator. Moving forward, we have a privacy curtain for this berth, which is over 7 feet long. Have a nice little flat screen. Lots of headroom here. Coming about, we have our ultra leather dinette, which also fills in for a sleeping area. Cabin, nice, bright, airy. Coming back, we have our head with marine toilet, pull-out shower, and fiberglass line for easy care. Moving aft, we have our double wide mid cabin with a table post. This also fills in for another sleeping area. And there's lots of storage under those seats. This concludes our video tour on this 1998 Maxum 300 SCR Cruiser.